Before you can measure diacetyl and other VDKs, you need to prepare your sample. For headspace analysis, this step is simple, but accuracy and consistency are key. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, step by step. To begin, you're going to need a few basic things. You're going to need your beer or wine sample, clean 20 ml headspace vials, pipettes with tips for accurate transfer, a gas chromatograph with an electron capture detector, or ECD, such as the Ellutia 200 series GC. But let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is degas your sample. You do this by pouring it slowly back and forth between two clean beakers or vials until the foaming stops. This removes the dissolved CO2, which prevents pressure buildup in the vial and ensures a smooth injection. Once it's degassed, you just pipette 2 ml of the sample into the clean 20 ml headspace vial. Now, if you're going to use nitrogen purging, this is where you want to give the vial a short purge to remove oxygen that could interfere with the chromatography. You're going to seal the vial tightly, and your sample is ready for analysis. A couple of quick tips: make sure every vial is clean and dry before use. Be consistent with your sample volumes. Always seal the vials immediately after filling or purging. And that's it. A quick degas, a clean transfer, your sample is ready to run. These simple steps make sure your VDK results are accurate, consistent, and repeatable every time. Now, if you found this useful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more. And let me know in the comments, what other lab prep steps would you like to see? Thanks for watching.